Hi people, this is GoodMods and today I want to show you my friend's APS M4 airsoft gun. My friend knew I bought a 3D printer, so he asked if I could change his silencer. As you can see, the silencer comes after the barrel. He wants me to change it to an over barrel silencer. So, we measured everything and made the silencer in Sketchup. Before we printed the final model, I made some test pieces for the threading part. Because we didn't have experience with threading 3D printed parts, we found it useful to test it out first. So, as you can see, my friend just finished threading the test piece without a problem. As a final test, a bolt was perfect. Finally, we could start printing the silencer. I used a 0.2 mm layer height and the filament we used was ABS. Okay, so my friend tried to thread the counterclockwise thread, but the pitch on it was wrong. So we thought drilling it out and tried to print a tube with thread on. We didn't expect, but the printer did a wonderful job. Maybe we had to try this earlier and sketch it into the silencer itself. The silencer was already printed, so we glued the tube in. So, here is the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe and like.